Hello everyone, welcome to the shop. Today we got a new ladder, so we got to body shop proof it. I'll show you how we do that here. We need a razor blade, a pair of Milwaukee scissors. They work really great for cutting. We've had these a long time and they just still keep on cutting. So a little pricey, but definitely worth the price. And then some pool noodles. Okay, so you just measure where you want it. You want it anywhere you might lean up or hit up against the vehicle, so that if you do, it's going to hit the noodle and not actually hit the ladder. Okay, so I think we need it. I'm just going to be safe and do it maybe all the way up. I don't see anything wrong with that, so we'll cut it right there and we'll try that out. I've not done this particular ladder before, so this will be the first for all of us. Okay, we'll just cut that off there. We'll take these scissors and we'll just cut straight up the middle. And one other tip I want to tell y'all while I'm on here is these right here are great for inside your garage. If you put them up against your wall like so, when you open your doors on your cars, you won't ding your doors, because a lot of garages these days are really tight. There's just a lot of use for these. Okay, let me get this one cut on up and then I'll get back with you. Okay, we're about to our last cuts. We've almost got it there. So see, it just cuts it all the way down for you. Then what you're going to do is slide it over that leg. Pop it there. Have some tape on hand because you're going to tape it. Now you need to tape this one as I go. Okay, let me grab some tape. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got some tape. We use American tape here. It's just the one that we like to use. It seems to have the most adhesion. So we use American here. Okay. I don't know about that part. I don't know if I can get it from over that or not. I guess I'm going to try it. Just put a little one for now. Make sure this is going to work out. Like I said, I haven't done this particular ladder before. And this is just some of the things you'll do if you're a body shop helper. You'll do a lot of the stuff that doesn't seem important, but kind of is important. This can save you a lot of money down the road. That's nice. Oh, look like that'll work. And these will wear out over time and they're very easy to replace. I mean, this will get old and it'll need to be replaced, and you just pop your tape, take them off, put some new ones back on there. You're good to go again. Okay, we got this one on here. Now we'll work on the other side. We're gonna do the same thing. Measure it up. It'd be bad if I got these super crooked. Let's see, maybe I got it. I'm not gonna measure anything. Let me use this thing. Maybe I'll just use that one. I'll just use that pool noodle. Maybe I'll have them close enough. Oh no, looks like I got this one a little short. Dang it. Nah, maybe it'll be all right. You just take those scissors right down the middle, cut it up. If you haven't used the Milwaukee scissors, we have never sharpened these, and we've had them a long time. We did a video a long time ago on these, and they're still just as good as they were, so. My hand's tired. Okay, so we got that one cut. Got all cut. We'll pop it on there. Did we make it, y'all think? Yeah, I think we made it. Okay, stop and put some tape. Hold that in place. We'll tape these up better after we get them set. This ladder was available at Walmart, and it's been a real good ladder. We only used it for a couple weeks now, but it seems sturdy. I like the way it's sturdy. You don't feel like you're gonna fall off anytime. Okay, we got it on there. Okay, let me get this on taped up, and then I'll come back and talk to you about it. Okay, everyone, on this particular ladder, you know I told you that I hadn't done this ladder before, and when I went to close it, it wouldn't close. So we learned something simple fix. Just cut it above the bend. Now it'll fold up and be good to go. So I've already cut this one. We got to cut that other side. And I just did that with my razor blade. Found where my bend was, and then I just took and sliced around it. Then I cut my tape on the back side. Yeah, I made it look easier than that a while ago. Should have had that one going. But I was trying to figure out how I was going to fix it. Where are you stuck at? I'll have to pick that all up. But okay. Yeah, just low enough, but I think it'll fold right there. I'm gonna take a little bit more off. I don't like. If I make you nervous, don't worry, I make myself nervous. I think if I get it right there, it'll shut. Let's see. Yeah, that looks better. Now, do we try it? It's super simple. Oh no, don't try it yet. Lose all this stuff. Woo. Now we try it. Okay. Oh yeah, that worked. That's what we needed to do. So now we're gonna finish the back side. Now we're gonna flip it over here. We gotta do this side now. Okay, so for the back side, we just need to go from here to there. So I think if we fold this thing in half, like so, and then maybe we take these scissors, I don't know, we'll try it. Woo! Yeah, okay. They're gonna be, one's gonna be just a little bit longer. It don't matter, it's just to protect the car. So just take our scissors and we'll cut down the middle again. Okay, that's one. Let's go ahead and cut this one. My hand's tired. It's not the scissors, it's me. Okay, we got it. To the end. All right. Okay, so now, just gonna put this one. See how it opens it up? You just open it up. Wow, this might have been just perfect. Not sure about this bendy thing. I had to cut a notch out. We'll see about this latch. If it don't close, that's what we'll have to do. Kind of hard to get my tape in there. Got it going. Above it there. Okay, should have went below it, I bet you. We'll find out. Okay, now let's see if it closes. Yep, close to that part. Okay, and that took me way longer than it probably should have, and I'm probably about to get fired, so I better get to it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you all haven't subscribed, do me a favor and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.